Isa sa ginawaran bilang Athlete of the Year sa isinagawang Women in Sports Awards nitong Miyerkules ay ang Philippine Women's National Football Team striker na si Sarina Bolden. Ito ay bilang pagkilala sa naging kontribusyon ni Bolden sa Pilipinas mula noong 2018, kabilang na ang makasaysayang unang goal ng bansa sa FIFA Women's World Cup na tumalo sa host na New Zealand noong 2023. Hindi man nakadalo sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum, nagpadala naman ng mensahe ang 27-year-old booter at nagpasalamat sa nakuha niyang parangal.
Thank you so much for awarding me Athlete of the Year. It's such an honor to be able to even be in the conversation, to even be, nominated. So from the bottom of my heart.
Binigyang pugay din ni Bolden ang mga nakasama niya sa Pilipinas, kabilang na ang kanyang mga teammates at coaching staff.
I just also want to shout out, the people that I've been shouting out for, a few of these awards that I've been getting through the Philippines and the Philippine Women's National Team, all the staff associated, coaching, admin, and obviously the players, my teammates, my sisters, the girls, the women that have been driving this amazing journey.
Bukod kay Bolden, itinanghal din bilang Athlete of the Year ang Filipina tennis sensation na si Alex Ayala na patuloy na gumagawa ng ingay sa international stage. Darilo Clares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.